Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I am AC. I am Abhay Chopra, the host of this channel, presenting you with really great experiences and knowledge and the things that you will really be grateful for achieving in your life. So, I will be posting every week one video or two videos depending upon my time which I can spare from my schedule, and I think like these videos will really make you a great person in your life. We will talk about different types of knowledges, we will talk about different type of skills, we will talk about different type of fitness routine, we will talk about our hustles we want to do in our life and what we really want to achieve in our life. So I think without wasting time, let's get started.
Done.
So today's topic is the 5 skills that a CS and IT student really need in his life. Okay, so I think that being a CS and IT student in India is really difficult because the transition from high school to college is like really big deal, because the pace in high school is not that fast and the pace in a college of responsibilities and curriculum and everything is really high, is really hard. So we are not able to cope up with that really soon. So what happens is we miss our opportunities or miss chances that we should have taken before doing the undergrad, between the gap of the result and the admission in the college, about 2 to 4 months, which we can really indulge ourselves in those 4 months to achieve beautiful skills that can help us achieving good internship and packages in our undergrad. So in this video I will be talking about those 5 skills that I think I should have done before admitting myself in an undergrad course in India. So the number one skill that I will really want to talk about is that learning a popular language in the corporate world right now. For example, right now Java and Python are really popular in the corporate world, and I will really recommend you to learn one of those languages, because those languages are the major basic languages we should have learned in those 4 to 5 months which we have the gap, because those languages can really clear our basics of the programming and can really put ourselves on an upside to the other resumes presented towards a company for recruitment. So moving on to the next skill I will really want to talk about is Git. Yes, you heard it right, Git, not GitHub, because most of the students can get confused between GitHub and Git. GitHub is a different thing and Git is a different thing. Git is a version control systems which helps us build a project having different types of members from different countries. For example, GitHub is a software or a website that uses Git in its platform to provide a version control system. So what happens is, if we make a project, if we have 5 members from different countries of the world and we want to make a project, so we will use GitHub. For example, this can help us in a way that if you wanna if one person is working at night and one person is working in the morning, then if I push a request in the Git repository for my code, then that will be committed in that, and that will be updated in the program, and that will be updated to the other programmers which will be working at night, and that can be really great for us to work with, and that will give us a really great exposure. So I will really recommend you guys to learn Git and get familiarized with the GitHub environment. The third skill that is really important in our day-to-day life is self-learning. Yes, self-learning, because what happens is, as I've already told you guys, the pace of the undergrad curriculum in India is really fast, so we have to cope up with that. So self-learning is a really good skill that we should acquire in our high school, so that when we reach to undergrad we can make some time for learning stuff by our own. For example, learning programming languages, learning self-improvement skills and different types of skills that we really want to learn. So yes, self-learning is really important in our day-to-day life, and I do want you to focus on that. So the fourth skill that is really important is learning about terminal. Yes, terminal, which is mostly used in Linux operating systems, and most of the persons will who are familiarized with Mac know it well. So what happens is terminal in the today's corporate world, terminal is used really greatly, and mostly Linux is used very greatly, and terminal is the program is like CMD of Linux, which helps us test and automate test our programs which we make in compiled languages. So yes, getting familiarized with terminal and Linux is really important. So the fifth and the most important tip I really want to talk about is the tip that most of the YouTubers or most of the persons who really want to share some knowledge will not at all share with you, but I'm going to share with you this, that learn a scripting language. Yes, learn a scripting language like Python or Perl. I will recommend you guys to learn Python, because Python is way more easier than Perl, because scripting languages can help you test the programs that you make in the compiled languages like C and C Sharp. And these scripting languages can help you, even like if you learn Python, you can know about machine learning and deep learning. You can learn about that too. And so that's why I will recommend you guys to learn one scripting language that can help you guys in your near future. So that's it for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one.